Real Journey Academies is a non-profit charter school organization that has been serving students in the Inland Empire region of Southern California for over 14 years. We currently operate 5 school sites, serving over 2,000 TK through 12th grade students. Learning is our focus. We believe that learning is a journey, and we are committed to providing our students with a safe and supportive environment where they can thrive. We offer a rigorous academic program that is tailored to meet the individual needs of each student. We also believe that character development is an essential part of education, and we focus on teaching our students the values of respect, responsibility, and teamwork. We are proud to offer a variety of extracurricular activities, including sports, clubs, and arts programs. We believe that these activities help our students develop their talents and interests, and they also provide opportunities for students to build relationships with their peers and teachers. We provide free breakfast and lunch to all students, and we are always looking for ways to improve our food offerings. Our nutritious salad bar has been a hit with middle and high school students, and we plan to expand our menu in the future to include more advanced options. We are committed to providing our students with the best possible education, and we are constantly looking for ways to improve our programs. We are always open to feedback from our students, parents, and community partners. Our vision is that Real Journey Academies can transform our communities by raising expectations for achievement, offering a high level of opportunity, and educating the next generation of leaders.